Excellency, first of all, I want to say how good it is to be in front of you, because I know you are a fair judge and you gonna hear this right, because, a brother needs some help around about now.
Okay.
But my ex over here, Vagelina, she need to be coming up off the insurance money for these kids. She has not given me any help as far as like taking care of these kids, and then she want to play sports. I need help.
All right, how many kids are we talking?
3.
3? Okay, what are their ages?
16, 12, and 9.
All right.
Who kids are 16, 12, and 9? Go ahead.
You don't know?
He don't know it. Go ahead. I'm waiting.
Oh,
Mike, I'm
okay.
next. Don't worry.
So did you say the wrong ages
No.
or something?
16, 12, and 9.
Okay, I got you. Now, you don't have to do all of that back to her.
I'm sorry, Your Excellency.
She'll have her opportunity to speak. I just want to hear your side of things going on right now. So tell me, take a deep breath, woosah. All right. Now, what is going on? Tell me the backstory.
Okay. So me and Vag got together back in the day.
All right.
We been tight, everything was good. But then she started giving me like all kind of attitude, all kind of problems. She stopped showing up at home, Your Honor.
Okay.
And so I don't understand it. So when I was
So
coming...
y'all don't live together anymore?
No more. Not right now.
And the children live with?
Me.
Okay, got it. Continue.
Now, okay, let's be straight up. 2 of the kids, mine.
Okay.
I just take care of the little third one because she won't come around.
Okay.
I mean, he all right and stuff like that, but I take care of the third one. He all right, he's straight.
Okay.
But I don't get any insurance payments or any assistance. When these kids have to go to the doctor, when they have to be out of school because one of them hurt their leg or their arm or something like that, I don't get no help. I call her, well, that's you taking care of them kids. I know that, but I ain't have them.
Hang on tight, folks. This courtroom showdown takes off with high emotion from the jump. Mr. Lewis kicks things off by showing respect to Judge Vanabe and making it clear he's here not to argue, but to plead for help in a messy child support dispute. He opens up about his deep frustration with his ex-wife, Vagelina, calling her out for not contributing financially, especially when it comes to insurance and doctor's visits for their 3 children. This isn't just a legal fight. It's a father reaching his limit, trying to hold it together while carrying the weight of parenthood mostly on his own.
I understand your frustration.
Thank you.
Were y'all in a relationship?
We were married, unfortunately.
Oh, okay, so y'all are divorced.
Indeed.
All right, so you're under the divorce decree. Who had custody of the kids? Like who were, okay, you, okay. All right. All right,
No
don't tell
bread.
So there was an agreement not to receive or pay child support at the time of the divorce?
Well, I didn't really want to.
I don't think the mother should pay child support to the father. You're the father.
I'll get to you in just a moment, and we'll touch on that comment you just made.
Your Highness, see, that's what I'm talking about. That's the kind of stuff I have to deal with. She don't want to do nothing for the children. Nothing.
Okay. She doesn't come and pick them up or anything like
I ain't
that?
gonna say
about
that.
it.
I ain't gonna say that.
Lie about it.
Excuse me. That's it.
My apologies.
Don't apologize, just don't do it. Okay?
She came and picked them kids up when they had that versus battle.
Okay.
She came and picked them up.
All right.
Other than that,
Was it something special about that battle?
them kids wanted to see it, so she was down for it and stuff like that. Other than that, she ain't come to pick. You ain't come pick them up for Easter. Not one Easter. One.
Okay. Now, Mr. Lewis, is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her and she gets to tell me her side?
Now I want you to hear what she got to say right quick, because it ain't gonna be too much of nothing. I just need you to help me with this insurance.
Health insurance and child support, right?
I ain't gonna really push that, but with you being the judge, Your Honor, you can push that child support, because we need a little help. We need a little help.
Okay.
It's hard out here.
All right. Well, can I move over to her?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
And now the temperature rises. Mr. Lewis doesn't hold back as he lays out the details of his struggle. He's not just upset, he's tired. Tired of Vagelina skipping out on their kids' medical needs and even failing to show up for special occasions like Easter. But the emotional bombshell drops when he reveals that while only 2 of the children are biologically his, he's been raising the 3rd as his own because Vagelina hasn't stepped up. You can feel the weight in his voice, the exhaustion, the pain, and the desperation. He's not here to win an argument. He's here to beg the court for a lifeline.
Hello, great evening, sunshine. Is it really my turn? You ready? You done? Okay.
Okay, all of that extra.
Because, ma'am, he's not giving you the full
You know,
story.
although I love the Vogue, we don't need it right now, okay?
I'm so sorry.
Okay, don't be sorry. Just don't do it. Get to the point. Let's go.
My ex-husband, when we divorced,
Okay.
I did not have the job in which I have now. That's how he received
Where do you
custody.
work at now?
I am now a building manager.
Okay.
I have been trying to get custody of my children for several months. The reason for the divorce, once I started working at the building in the beginning, I went to take the maintenance guy over to check out one of the units that needed to be serviced, and my husband was there sticking a toy in a young lady's ear.
Wait. Your Majesty, that's a desperation.
That is not a decimation of nothing,
Yes,
sir.
it is.
You was decimating that lady's ear,
Hold on.
sir.
First of all, both of you are saying the word wrong. It's defamation, okay? And there will be no outbursts in here. Let her speak, and then when she is done, if I need clarification or anything, I will come back to you, okay?
I apologize, Your Majesty.
Okay, no apologies, just don't do it. It's that simple. Okay, now continue.
So, after that, I do come and pick up the children every weekend. I also pick them up on Wednesdays, correct?
Then, the energy shifts as Vagelina steps up, ready to defend herself. She wastes no time digging into their marital history, claiming her role as a building manager changed everything between them. But things take a sharp left when she brings up a dramatic incident, accusing Mr. Lewis of defamation and tossing out serious allegations. The courtroom leans in. She's not just explaining herself, she's going on the offensive, throwing punches at his character and finances. This isn't just a child support hearing anymore, it's a full-blown battle for credibility and control.
What do you do?
You're talking to me right now. You're not talking to him.
I pick them up every Wednesday and on the weekends.
Okay.
So that's when he go out and do his old nasty finagling with the money that I do send him. The children still call me for assistance financially because the money that I do send them,
How much money do you send them on a
I
monthly
send my
basis?
children $750 a month.
Skirt! $55.
On top of,
I said no outburst. Do you want me to hear this case or not?
I really do. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Okay.
he is sorry. On top of,
I don't need you to throw jabs at him while I am addressing him, okay? You all are gonna have to learn to respect each other. Otherwise, I can't get any information that I need and I'll have to dismiss your case. And I know you do not want this case dismissed.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
$750 a month on top of the insurance that I pay a month. And he just got a new car.
Okay.
And I believe he is about to move.
But he would need a car for the transportation of 3
There
children.
was absolutely nothing wrong with the.
How do you know nothing? How do you know nothing was wrong with his car?
I'm there every week at least twice or 4 times to pick up and drop off.
That doesn't mean that nothing is wrong with his car.
Pick up and drop off.
Excuse me.
The gloves officially come off, and this back and forth turns into a full-on war of words. Vagelina claims she's paying $750 a month, but Mr. Lewis immediately fires back, calling her numbers and her narrative completely unreliable. What was once about support payments now dives into personal territory. She accuses him of poor financial habits. He says she's dodging responsibilities. The heat is rising fast, and the judge steps in more than once to keep things from spiraling. This is no longer a calm debate. It's a verbal brawl with 2 parents clashing over more than just money.
That doesn't mean
He
that
got a
nothing
new
is wrong
car
with his
because he
car.
let his new girlfriend get the other car.
So are you mad about that?
No, I'm not. I'm mad that my money is not going to my children, and he has me in court asking for more money.
How do you know it isn't going to the children?
My children tell me, Mama, we don't have food in the house.
Do they tell you that or
they
you
do
ask
tell me
them?
that, oh no, I don't have to ask them.
Well, and while
any
we're on the
question.
subject of the children, how old
Please
are
do.
they?
My children Earth, Wind, and Fire, our children.
Well, he said
Or
one of
seven-
them. He
or-
said one of them is not his child.
No, all 3 of them. 7, 9, and 11. 7,
That's far
9,
off.
You see
and
what I'm saying?
11.
You see
And
what I'm
yes,
saying,
I do
Judge?
want them to play sports because he have them at home playing video games where they're learning to play with strippers on some video game. But the girls shaking their tail on the table, on the pole, on the video game. That's what he got them doing, and he want more money because I want them in sports.
What kind of sports are you
I just
trying
want
to
them
put
to play
in?
football, basketball.
Are you
They
going
can
to
do
cover
I
that
do not
expense?
mind.
Okay.
Then comes the curveball. A witness takes the stand on Mr. Lewis's behalf, and everything changes. She testifies that Vagelina's support has been almost non-existent, just $785 for the entire year. It's a jaw-dropping revelation that shakes the courtroom and starts to shift the balance. Vagelina's defense begins to unravel under the weight of this new testimony. This isn't just a number, it's proof. And with it, the judge is starting to see the full picture. What started as a he said, she said battle is now turning into a case for accountability.
I actually want them back. My son walked in on him and his friend with a stripper, with a coinage, because he only makes what? A garbage, you pick up garbage and drop off
Okay,
garbage.
you don't have
That's
to shade him.
No
At
shade,
least
that's
he's
his occupation,
working.
ma'am.
At least he's working.
I'm not, no tea, no shade.
My job
If
is
he can
waste
pick-
management. While she trying to trip, it's waste
Pick up trash,
management.
drop off trash, and then pick up trash and pay for it with my coinage. So I don't feel that I should need to pay him anything extra.
Okay, let me ask you a question. How long have you been giving him, like how many months have you been giving him the $750?
It's been since they've been with him, and it's been a year.
Okay.
Year.
Badge, I don't know why you lying this late like this.
That's how we doing this.
I promise you.
No, that's not how we're doing this because y'all are supposed to be talking to me.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
He
I
would.
also have text messages from him where he
Okay.
is actually saying thank you for the payment. Thank
Okay.
you for the payment.
And you asked for, hold on one second, and you asked for back child support as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, they've been living with you for the past year, all right? And you're saying that's how much money that you've given him every single month?
Every single month.
Okay. So the children do live with him, which means you should be paying him some sort of child support.
That's $950 so far a month.
Okay. I thought it was $750.
$750 plus the insurance that I'm already paying.
Oh,
That
okay. How
is-
much is the insurance?
The insurance is $200 a month.
Okay. Is that for all 3 of the
That's
children?
for all 3 children.
Okay.
That's a travesty. You're high up.
1 second. 1 second. Now, is that not what she's paying? How do you know?
The money that hits that account is nowhere near it.
How much has she been giving you according to your record?
In total, I have $785 from the whole year that someone calls themselves paying. I'm telling you, it's a travesty.
How do you send the money?
Now the tension hits its peak. Mr. Lewis presents receipts. The witness stands firm. And suddenly Vagelina's family enters the fray, not taking the accusations lightly. The courtroom turns hostile, with raised voices and tense exchanges between sides. Every word, every claim is dissected in real time. The drama is palpable, and the pressure is intense as both parties dig in, fighting for their version of the truth. You can feel it. Something big is coming.
I send it
Cash app.
direct deposit. It comes out of my account directly.
So is it Cash App or
No,
is
no,
it
no,
direct
no.
deposit?
It's
Are the
direct
children
deposit.
16, 12, and
No, no.
9, or they 7, 9,
They
and
7,
11?
9, and
Y'all
11.
have me so
As the young
Come on
folks say
now.
these days, I got receipts.
I
Okay.
have receipts also, ma'am.
So it sounds like we need birth certificates too
Let's
because
do
y'all don't
it.
know how old these
Let's
kids
do
are.
it. My son say he stays high. How would he know?
Oh,
I got a witness.
Bring
okay. Who is your witness? And what are they going to be a witness to?
That's my character and how she has not been paying on these bills that she's supposed to be paying on, Your Honor. I need help with this insurance.
Okay. All right, so we're going to have the bailiff get your witness, okay?
I appreciate that.
All right.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Excuse me. That's supposed to be my witness. What did you?
Didn't turn out that way today, Your Honor. Didn't turn out that way.
Okay, so she is your witness.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what is your name? Yes.
Shantae.
Okay. Did you forget your name?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Now, Miss
wouldn't
Shantae,
want
what? And you will not
I got
disrespect
quiet. I got quiet.
and disrupt her.
I get quiet.
Okay, please. Thank you. Now, Shantae, what's going on? Has she been giving this man $750 a month, or is
No.
his account
No,
true
ma'am.
that it's only $700 or so dollars?
There's
in total?
only $785 that's been given the whole year.
Okay.
The whole year.
Okay, Miss Shantae.
So where's
Are
the
you
rest
sure?
of the money?
Wait, Miss
Excuse
Shantae.
me. No, you wait. You wait. You wait.
And here it is. The moment everything's been building toward after a roller coaster of testimony, accusations, and emotional appeals, the judge delivers a decisive ruling. Vagelina is ordered to pay back child support to Mr. Lewis with exact figures and a monthly payment schedule laid out clearly. But there's a catch, and it's a big one. Because she failed to provide any solid proof or receipts, her case collapses. The ruling hits hard. The courtroom goes quiet. Mr. Lewis finally gets the validation he's been fighting for. This isn't just a financial order, it's a reckoning. A long-awaited moment of justice, served with finality.
All
Your
right.
kids don't even want to be
It
with
sounds
you.
like
Just send your
both-
money.
So untrue.
Excuse
Send
me.
your
But you're
money.
also the girl that my kids saw him doing drugs off of your belly, right?
Excuse me?
Aren't you the girl that
No,
had the
ma'am.
white
Judge,
stuff?
hold on, wait. Before you go,
That was
we need
her.
to we need to
That was
decision
her.
about this
No,
insurance.
because that was
No.
her.
Lord,
So
we
I
need
have been
decision.
paying my coins. It's easy for
She
her to
just
say that
mad.
I don't pay, especially when he is sniffing it off of her belly region
Oh,
and when my
Lord
kids
Jesus.
walking in the room.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do, because that went real left and I don't have time. I can leave.
I don't need you to do that. I promise, please.
Well, yeah. So it sounds like we probably need to reset this when you all have calmed down and can talk with some sense, not
Your
talk
Honor.
over each other. I think that's what we're going to do.
I just want my
We
children.
can. We're all calm, Your Honor. Can we
I
just
want my children.
Y'all
continue
are all
on?
calm because I got up to leave.
I mean, we don't want you to go. I don't want to come back and waste my time. I want to go back
We
to
just-
my
it's
kids.
about my
Obviously,
kids.
all three of you came here to waste my time. Shantae, I thought you were going to give me
No,
some
Your Honor,
information
we're
that
here-
I really needed.
We're here to.
Mr. Lewis, you filed this suit because you said you needed help. Sound like you just want to get revenge.
Miss Omnipotence, I promise you,
And
it's not that.
Miss Vagelina, am I saying that right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm really not sure why you're here.
I don't either. Me neither. I really would like my children.
Well, that's not going to happen because they've been living with Dad.
Thank you.
I'll keep fighting for them.
Okay, so this is what we are going to do today. And if I have any outbursts while I say this, your case will be reset, okay? Everybody got that? Everybody
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
so you asked for back child support. So we are going to grant the back child support to Dad because based on his testimony as well as his witness's testimony, you've only given $785. You didn't bring anything in here with me, any receipts
He didn't either.
to show that, well, here's the deal about evidence. Testimonial evidence is still evidence. So until you bring something that can go against what he said, I have to assume it's true because you guys raised your hand and swore that you would tell the truth, right? So that's what we're going to do. You're going to reimburse him. I will give you credit for the $785. Now, if you bring something in here to show different, we can do different. But $750,
$785.
I mean,
with the
excuse me,
girlfriend?
$785, you subtract that from what it should be for the past year is $8,215 that you owe in back child support that is going to be paid to him monthly
didn't
at a
even
rate of
request
$100. Then on top of that, how much is it that you make a year?
Yeah, you just took it out.
200K, Your Honor.
makes 200,000 a year.
Okay, all right.
200,000 a year is what she makes.
Okay, thank you. Now, nothing else while I'm talking. Okay, thank you.
But they just
Health
for me.
insurance, $200. You get credit for that.
Oh, no.
Your child support, because you capped out, is going to come out to $2,760 plus the $100 reimbursement, bringing your amount to $2,800. Yeah, $2,860 per month.
So we brought the same type of evidence in here, and because he's hunching his, I have to pay the month.
Okay, that was inappropriate, first off. Second off, I made my ruling.
Which was a great ruling, Your Highness.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Sure was.
You almost didn't get it because
be the
of this
glory.
behavior. All right. Are there any other questions?
No, ma'am.
As I said, if you can bring testimonial evidence is evidence. Now you saying that he didn't do it is not going to be sufficient. You have another witness over here who says that you haven't done it. So am I supposed to just believe, wait a minute, am I just supposed to believe that you have done it? You said you do it by direct deposit,
I
right?
do.
So that means you should have some slips to show that
but
he's
he
not
don't have
telling the
any
truth.
either. He just have the mouth that he landed in.
Okay,
Cash
well,
out.
here's the deal. I said what I said. You didn't have anything. Is there anything further?
No, ma'am.
No, no, Your Honor.
You know what?
Okay, if there is nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Just easy.
Thank you.
Run them racks up. Run them racks up.
I hope you fall and she
Amen.
choke on whatever lands in her
Run them
throat.
racks.
And here it is, the climax we've all been waiting for. After a tense back and forth, the judge finally delivers the ruling, and it's a bombshell. Vagelina is ordered to pay back child support to Mr. Lewis, with specific amounts outlined and a clear path for monthly payments. The judgment is firm and final, giving Mr. Lewis the justice he's been fighting for. But there's a catch. Vagelina's failure to provide receipts and adequate proof of payments has sealed her fate. The courtroom is left in stunned silence as the judge lays down the law, and Mr. Lewis finally gets some resolution. This is the moment of reckoning where all the drama culminates in a legal win. The case is wrapped up, but the aftermath is sure to be just as charged.